115 is a modified version of 8-ball. There is no scoring in this game. The groupings are high and low. The winner is whichever team or individual correctly sinks the 8-ball. The 8-ball must be in the center of the rack. The 1 and 15 balls are the special balls and will be immediately behind it, with the 1 ball right of center and the 15 ball left of center. Four balls must hit a rail, or any ball must be sunk for a legal break. If the break is not legal, the other team will re-rack and break. Spot the 8, 1, or 15 ball if any of them are made on the break. If there is a scratch or any other foul on the break, the next player gets ball in hand behind the head string. Groups are determined when a player legally sinks any ball except the 8-ball. The 1 ball must be pocketed in the left side pocket and the 15 in the right side pocket. If they are not, spot them. If a team pockets the other team's special ball, then it will stay down. It does not matter if the stroke was legal or not. When a team has no other balls remaining, then they may begin to shoot and sink the 8-ball to win.